Hello folks, my name is Nando and welcome back to our garage. Today I'm going to show you how I clean and lubricate my chain. Right, let's see. I like to use this stuff. I've been using it for, I don't know, a couple of years. It works for me purely because of convenience, really. You can also use 75W90 gearbox oil on the DID chains. It actually states that you should use 75W90 oil, but I use this because, as I've said, because of convenience. It has the cleaning solution in it, the lubricant, and a handy brush as well. You can use whatever you want, really. Just please don't use WD-40 because it evaporates eventually and it will leave your chain dry. But who am I to tell? You can use whatever the hell you want, really. As I've said at the beginning of this video, this is the way I clean my chain, and how you clean your chain, that's entirely up to you. So let's see, this is the brush it comes with. It's a 3-phase brush, which is, it works great actually. So what I like to do is get the chain cleaning thingy and just spray it over the chain. And get this brush. Give it a good brush. And then just clean it off with a rag. You can also use a toothbrush. That's even better because you can get into all the small nooks and crannies. So actually I might switch to a smaller brush. But it's not too dirty, this chain. I'm just gonna spray the whole thing. If you do clean your chain, please do yourself a favor and don't be one of them stupid guys who starts the bike, puts it in gear, and sorry, I got interrupted by the enemy there. What was I saying? Yeah, don't be one of them stupid guys who starts the bike, puts it in gear, and just lets it run. If you want to lose a finger, then by any means do whatever you want, but I would strongly advise you against it. That's dangerous to do. I would never do such a thing. Also clean that inside face. you can see, I like to clean the sprocket as well. There's quite a lot of shit in here. Right, that looks pretty good to me. My battery just gone flat there. What I was saying is I like to spray every side of the chain, this side on the rollers and on the back side as well. I've already done it, but by the time I noticed my battery's gone flat, I finished my chain. But I'm gonna apply a little bit more just for the sake of this this video. So yeah, just spray it lightly. You don't want to put too much on because it's just gonna fling off. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on future videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel over here, and take care, and I'll see you in a bit.